What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Neighbor's Kitchen. Last week you saw how I make a fun and easy taco bar for my friends and family, but I didn't show you how to make that loaded guacamole. It's got bacon in it too, by the way. So today I'm going to show you how you can do that at home your own self. Alright? So I'm Neighbor and this is the Neighbor's Kitchen. Let's get cooking. Alright, we're going to start out by seeding our tomatoes. This is a process where you remove the seeds and their protective gel-like substance that they come around, because what we don't want to do is water down our guacamole. So go ahead and have them and then remove the seeds just like you see me doing here. And go ahead and separate the meat from the seeds on your cutting board. Discard the seeds. Go ahead and wipe up some of that gel. And then we're going to start cutting up the tomatoes into little sticks, just like you see me doing here. And then go ahead and get your food processor and put them in, and we're going to turn it into a consistency that of salsa real quick. Check this out, just a few chops. Go ahead and push down some of the stuff sticking to the side. Hit it again. There you go. And that's what you're looking for. Perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and get our onion ready. So, in my guacamole, I happen to like red onion. Go ahead and use your favorite. Red's just got a little more bite to it. I think it complements the flavor of avocado quite well. And alternatively, you don't have to do it the same way forever. You can try different options and form your own opinion. So anyway, just go ahead and chunk up your onion into some pieces that won't make the processor work too hard. Go ahead and push down what's on the sides. Go ahead, add it to your bowl. Now let's go ahead and start getting these avocados ready. Just like you see me do here. Cut it in half, twist it, and failed miserably at getting the seed out. Unfortunately, I decided to make guacamole just this morning, and those are not quite right because I live in Ohio, I believe is the excuse I'm going to use. There are methods of ripening them in a paper bag overnight, but I did not have the luxury of planning that far ahead, and that's just how it goes. So, don't be like me. Try and plan ahead, but if you don't, you're still gonna have delicious guacamole. So, as you can see, some of these were more ripe than the others. Usually I can get my thumb under there and peel the skin off relatively easily, but you'll see me struggle on a few of them. Basically, I just quarter them. Go ahead and get rid of the skins. Just like that. See, those ones are working pretty well. Look at that color. Avocado is a wonderful color and a wonderful food, I've heard. I'm no dietitian, but I like it. I'm still standing. Good thing I'm not a marketer. Whew. There you go. So just keep adding them to your bowl. There you go. We're getting there. So next thing, you want to get a potato masher and a fork. Now, I like my guacamole kind of chunky. If you like yours more smooth, you can also do this in a blender, and this step would just look different. So try it both ways, see what you like. I'm going to add one more avocado. Go ahead and get that taken care of. Get that mashed in. just kind of, there you go. Some salt and pepper to taste. I made a few pieces of bacon extra this morning. You're going to add the juice of 1 lime. Perfect. A little bit of ground cumin. And my favorite, some Sriracha sauce. Mix it all together, get all the ingredients all nice and evenly distributed. And with the fork, when you find a bigger chunk of avocado, what you want to do is set it aside and kind of mash it up against the side of the bowl. There you go, just like that. That way it's still kind of chunky, but there won't be a giant heaping chunk of avocado that nobody can grab a hold of. So let's go ahead and get a clean fork and take a test. It's going well so far. Next we're going to add our black olives. I do this last so that the olives stay in their olive form and don't get crushed or mashed. I buy mine pre-sliced. Just go ahead and stir it all in like that. That's looking good. Go ahead and take one more taste test and see if you need more salt and pepper, and then go ahead and serve it on your taco bar. Everybody, thank you for hanging out with me this week. If you will, please consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you next week.